With high ambition, great motives, and with commitment, now our student will place towards this noble profession. For that, may I request Ms. Manasi Rebarma, Assistant Professor, Tipra College of Nursing, to kindly take the oath of our student.
A very good morning to all. To the respected chief guest, Mrs. Niti Deb, social activist, guest of honor, Dr. P. Roy, chairman of SFTMC, special guest, other dignitaries from SFTMC and various organizations, principal and faculties of various institutions, my beloved students, colleagues, press and media. I, Manaswi Debarma, Assistant Professor of Tripura College of Nursing, are taken an opportunity to guide the 5th batch of nursing students for taking their oath. That means a promise a nurse made to respect the moral principle of medical profession. So in this auspicious occasion, will always inspire you, my dear first year students, to cherish and uphold the value and tradition of the nursing profession. So my dear first year students, best wishes for your nursing career. Now please repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous. And will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge. In the practice of my calling. With loyalty I will endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Please sing your prayer song.